Mundus's chamber is located at the top of the core. There, you will reunite with Virgil. Be careful. The souls of the damned are channeled through here. Don't get caught up in the stream, whatever happens.
Got it, Cat.
Good luck, Dante. You're all
Cheers,
alone
Cat.
here.
I know. Hello everyone, welcome back to DmC Devil May Cry. I am Titan, and this looks exactly like what I would imagine hell to look like. I'm getting caught in a stream. Okay, no I'm not, I am good to go. I do like the level design, although I am curious as to why there are trees every now and then in the area of, well, in the area which is mostly covered in fire. You alright, boys? Yeah, you good? Always good to encounter some very friendly demons first. Oh no. Oh no! I've said it once, I'll say it again. The butchers and the bigger demons in the game, they tend to scare me. Although I am liking the new gun that Virgil has given us. But then again, I'm still not exactly on good terms with Virgil from a personal view. I'm not really that happy with how Virgil has gone about certain things throughout the game, and I have a feeling that Dante isn't happy about the way Virgil has handled some things either. And by that I mean when we were attempting to save Katin under siege, he was more than happy to let her die. And then when we were in the exchange, he very nearly fucked up and had Kat die. Okay, looks like I cannot do anything with the Kablooey on the Butcher. And considering the fact that I'm not relying on my jumping to dodge like I was the first time we encountered the Butchers, he has lost a lot of his killing power. Right, now that that's over and done with, hello there, Butcher. I'd like a steak. Okay. You don't appear to be willing to give me a steak. How about some pork? Some pork, okay? I mean, I really do fancy some bacon right now, and no, you don't want to give me some bacon either. Would you be willing to... No. He's not willing to give me any meat product. That's not fun. You're a butcher, and you're not willing to provide meat to your customers, or even to your potential customers. No wonder you're a demon, and no wonder you work for Mundus. You're false advertising. You claim to be a butcher, yet you don't sell meat. I killed you. I killed you less than half a second ago. No. Witch, do not give him your shield. That is the only thing I ask of you, Witch. Do not share your shield today. Sharing your shield is bad. What did I say about sharing your shield? As much good as sharing is in the real world, I don't really like the idea of demons utilising the ability of sharing shields. I mean, your shield is for you to prevent you from encountering death, not the Butcher. Is that a lost soul? Yes, it is. I imagine there are going to be a rather substantial amount of those in this level, considering we are in a variation of... What? Why did I die? Is it because I got caught in the fire? More than likely, yeah. Get back here. Okay, she is deceased, and the Butcher is the only thing standing. But considering that he is a rather substantial distance away, I feel that I am safe for the moment. So, now that you have been revived, have you revised your position on selling meat products? I'm assuming no, but in the event that you have, do you have any pork, any bacon, anything along those lines? No? Okay. Okay, we can only hit him in the... What could I even call that? Okay, moving on. We could go left or we could go right. Considering that there is something that we can break on the right hand side, I am going to focus on that for the moment. And by that I mean there is a lost soul. I have to admit, I do like the fact that we can break open these cocoons to make it so that we have a little bit of a reliable source of healing between fights. Is the fire coming? I'm gonna jump back to that platform over there and see what I just missed out by doing some dodging. Oh, I've just missed out, well, I almost missed out on moving a platform. Kind of important that we do that, I guess. Right, do I grab or do I fly? Potentially both. Potentially both. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing in this area. None. This game does have a good balance between the combat and the combat, which I don't think I've mentioned before now. And that would be another key for us. Always good to get more keys. Always. Ivory key. And according to that, there are 21 keys in the entire game, and we have only picked up 5. That is a collectible that I am going to be going after in my own time once we've finished the playthrough, which we are going to be doing within a few more episodes. And I'm going to be sad once this playthrough is over, because I've been enjoying this game. Okay, that kind of hurt like hell. No, we're not doing game over. We're going to continue, but this time we are going to do it without running into that. That is not a thing anyone should have to deal with. Anything on that side? Nope. Hello, Hell Knight, Ice Knight. Oh wait, you're not Ice Knight. Thought you were, sorry about that. I imagine that me getting what you are wrong is a little bit offensive to demons. Come on, we can make it, we can make it. Ooh. Not that much leeway though. I need another 300 coin to be able to utilise the, well, to be able to purchase a golden orb, which I have a feeling we are going to need at some point. That's the way we came, so this is the way we are going. Hello, Stygians. How are you today? Good? Good. I hope you don't mind, but I would really rather not fight you and just deal with my surroundings, because I'm wanting to link up with Virgil, my brother, so that I can actually defeat Mundus, or at least get to Mundus to off him. Very nearly got caught in the stream, which Cat, if I remember correctly, said not to do. I'm gonna get caught in the stream. Okay, no I am not. That was lucky. That was lucky. How much coin do I have now? 160. Give me the thing! We've not seen the guy who we helped for a while. Oh no. Right, get the Aquila out, or Aquila. Okay, good to go. And now we can fly up and get out of here. I'm actually still disappointed in myself for not knowing about that when we needed to in the Under Siege mission. And that looks like an arena for a boss fight. We are also apparently getting, well, I say apparently, we are presumably getting closer to the top of the core Tyrant, which I've already done this tango once today, and I have to admit, I like doing this fight because, one, you are a support, and that is a bruiser. Okay, I wasn't going to do this, but this seems like a very valid way to deal with both of you. Right, that is the Tyrant down. Where is she? Is she dead? No, she's not. She's still... Can you stop doing the dashy dashy? I would really appreciate it if you stopped doing the dashy dashy. But then again, you are... Oh no, 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 no. No, you now have an assassin tied with a bruiser. Where is her? I should have saved the demon thing. I should have saved the devil boost. I should have saved it and everything would have been fine right now. But no, I didn't save it. I thought it would be a good idea to use it on a witch and a tyrant. But no, I should have known. I should have known that the game would do something like this. But no, we will figure out how to deal with this. Where is her? Tyrant, I would really appreciate it if you could stay over there, but I will understand if you don't. So that's how I do that. Tyrant, come on man, we had a deal. Is he dead? No, he's not. Right, that is the Dreamweaver down and soon to be the Tyrant. Dreamweaver plus Witch. They are trying a variety of different combinations right now to try and down me. And I love it. I love every second of this. What? Did I just do what I think I did? Did I just parry a witch's spell? That's kind of awesome. No, that's not kind of awesome. That's fucking awesome. Oh, you are evil. Why are you such a bitch? You have to do this, don't you, witch? You have to show your shield every damn time I encounter one of you. Every single time I encounter you. Was really hoping that that last attack would go through on the Weaver. Oh, you are evil. Stop being a witch. Right, no more shields for you. No more shields for you. And into the sky. He should be almost down. Should be. Probably isn't, knowing my luck. Any more? No more. No more demons for now. I have to admit, I'm liking the fact that there was a, no, it's not game over just yet, my friend. Not just yet. I have to admit, I'm liking... No! Why did I do that? Why did I think that that was a good plan? I knew that the next stream was due, and yet I still jumped into the fray. Anything around here? Yes, there is. Hello, my good friend, Lost Soul. You're going to be giving me some coin. And next time we get a divinity statue, we are going to be getting a new golden orb, which is something that I want, because if we die in the middle of combat, we have to restart the entire scenario, which is not exactly a thing I am a fan of doing.